Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. We're doing dirty rice. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Let's get in today's video. Okay, so this is the first thing you need to do. This is just one of these throw together meals. First thing you're going to do is you're going to hit the saute, and it doesn't matter. You're going to want the high saute. It doesn't matter if you're using a Power Pusher Pro like mine or an Instapot. This is going to cook up the exact same way. I'm going to first put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of my pan here, because I'm using some really lean ground beef. Now this is not traditional dirty rice. This is Mama Z's version of dirty rice. So with that being said, because traditional dirty rice has chicken liver in it, I'm not putting chicken liver in my dirty rice. I have some onions and pepper mix that I picked up at the grocery store. They had this marked down 50% off. I grabbed stuff like this when they marked this down because it's just a great mix to have. Throw it in the freezer. And for a night like this, where I need a quick family meal, I can throw it together. And then we're just going to saute this up a little bit. This is just one of these quick, easy, fast meals, especially when you put it in your pressure cooker, your Instant Pot. And basically, I'm just wanting to kind of get it translucent. I've got some, also, I got this on discount. I am all about hitting the clearance for my meat. My husband laughs at me because I will come in and I'll just find $3 meat, marked down meat that they have put on the clearance, and he's like, we have no more room in the freezer, so you've got to either start canning meat or something, because we don't have a big freezer. All we have is our side-by-side, but you get it while it's good. So I'm going to throw that in here and get that to going. Now while that's cooking, I'm going to throw some salt on here. I'm just using kosher. I'm also going to throw some fresh cracked pepper. All right. I've got some oregano. A little bit of thyme. I've got some roasted garlic. Cajun seasoning. Get it all mixed up in there. And you just want to cook your meat down until it's not pink anymore. And then we'll add everything else. To this, I'm also adding some Worcestershire sauce. Because why not? I'm sure all my Cajun friends right now are saying, "What are you doing?" This is my version. I never said this was authentic. But I guarantee you it's going to taste good. If y'all haven't know me by now, I always do things my way. But this is what supper looks like on a typical night at Mama Z's Texas Kitchen's house. And I don't think my family looks like I starved them to death, so there you go. Is anybody complaining over there? They're shaking their heads. I was hoping they'd say something, but
No.
Kendra's not going to talk today. They ain't starving, I promise. Alright, we almost got this meat up to temp. We're going to throw our rice in here. We're going to put the lid on it and we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. And we're going to have dinner. If you wanted to get real industrious, you could cook some cornbread or have something like that. I don't know that we're going to get that industrious tonight. I do have some Hawaiian rolls over there that I might heat up. But it's been a long day. Papa and I both had a doctor's appointment today. And we filmed 2 videos. This will make number 3. We're tired. Alright, we're going to put our rice. I'm using a Texas wild rice that's got white rice, brown rice, and wild rice in it that I really like. We're using chicken broth. I'm going to give that a 1 stir. Just incorporate. That's it. Put our lid on. We're going to hit cancel. Make sure this is set. All right. And then I'm going to hit the rice setting. Okay, so we're going to hit the rice setting. And I'm going to cancel it in 15 minutes. All right, we're going to let it come to pressure. We'll see y'all back. Remember to always move this away from your face. And looky there, my friends. Don't that look good? Perfect dirty rice. All right, we're going to scoop up some up in a bowl. Perfect dinner on $5 Friday. All right, thank you for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. I hope you will give this recipe a try. It's just a good, easy meal that took 15 minutes to throw together. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you on the